New Beginnings presents Gospel Explosion 5, Saturday, October 18th at the First Timothy Christian Church. Doors open at 4 p.m., showtime at 5 p.m. First Timothy Christian Church located 198 North Main Street, Spring Valley, New York. Join us Saturday, October 18th at the First Timothy Christian Church for an unforgettable night of powerful praise and worship featuring Bishop Hezekiah Walker, Korean Hawthorne,
ain't no need for stressing in my life.
The Group Fire, the Boykin Brothers, Angela Missy Billups, and many more. Tickets are on sale right now. Early bird specials are on sale $50 until August the 1st. General admission is $60, VIP is $70, including food, meet and greet, and photo with artists, and so much more. Hosted by Liz Black. Buy your tickets now. For ticket information, call the ticket hotline at 845-274-1481. Join Gospel Explosion 5, October 18th, 5 p.m. at the First Timothy Christian Church, 198 North Main Street, Spring Valley, New York. Be there.